In this video, we're going to review how to change the battery in your Mercedes key fob. This model key fob, if it looks like this process will work for you. This fits various years, I think going back to 2007 up to about 2015 or more. It's kind of all over the place depending on your model, but basically if it looks like this process is going to work. So the first thing you need to do, and I kind of already did it, was you have your spare key that's in here. So you want to pull this button here and pull out your key, which when you have no fingernails is easier said than done. Okay, so you pull your key out. So now it's a little bit of a tricky part on the back. You see this little black panel right here. What we need to do is pop that off. And then the way we do that is in the key slot right here in about the middle, there's a little tab. You can feel it with your key, right? So what you want to do is you want to put your key in there and kind of push that tab until that panel pops out. In all honesty, it can be a little tricky at times, but just keep at it and eventually it will go. Just try not to overpress because you don't want to break that tab. So it comes loose a little bit. Let's keep going at it. Like I said, it is a little tricky at times. If you have something else that besides your key could probably work as well. Okay, so see, then it popped off. You can kind of hear it when it does. And there's your battery. So then all you do is you take a small screwdriver or something thin, get it on the edge here, and pop that battery out. It's a CR2032 battery. And then once you pop it out, all you need to then do is put your fresh one in. Make sure that in this model, the flat side with the writing is facing up. Once you're done, you take your little cover, just pop it back on like that. Put your key back in here, and then that's all there is to it, and that battery should last quite a few years once it's been refreshed. So hopefully this video helped you, and if you have any questions, please feel free to add them in the comments and I'll try to answer as many as I can. Thank you.